Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to download PUBG on PC. PUBG Mobile can be played on PC using an official Android emulator called GameLoop, which is developed by Tencent and optimized especially for PUBG gameplay. To begin, open your web browser and search for GameLoop. Just click on the first link and then search for PUBG. Click on Download and choose your folder. Open the installer and click on Install. After the installation finishes, click on Start. Open it and wait for it to load. You can search for PUBG Mobile or click on Install if you see it. You will see that the download has been added. Click on it to view, and the download will start automatically. As you can see, the game has started to open. Wait for it to load, as it may take some time because this is the first installation and it needs to download resources. Select any resource pack you want to download, and after it finishes, you will have successfully installed PUBG Mobile on your PC. GameLoop also provides built-in keyboard and mouse controls, making PUBG easier to play than on a mobile device. And that's it. We just learned how to download and play PUBG on PC using the official GameLoop emulator. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial videos.